Alright, y'all know who it is. Your boy JP coming at y'all with another how-to. This is a 2006 Honda Accord, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out. Now, actually, so they're not actually replacing this piece. They're going to be using the bottom piece. So the bottom, there's two ways that you can put a radio in this car. You can either take this part out and buy the $300 dash kit, and it will give you a single din or double din facing on the front part, and you have to replace the entire thing because the AC is all one piece, same circuit boards and all that good stuff. So if you replace this part, it's going to be $300 and you can do it right there. Or you can buy a $50 harness and buy the lower pocket relocation kit. That's what this customer has, so that's the part that I'm going to show you how to do today. So first things first, all you got to do for real, take your panel removal tool, of course, and we want to come up under here and we want to start popping up these clips right around the shifter. Only held in by clips, so you want to go ahead and pop these bad boys up. Boom. Get that out the way. Next thing that you want to do is you want to come up here to this is not an ashtray, it's like a little coin tray or whatever, but it comes out. Gotta work that boy real quick. Now we can take this and come up here. Don't want to do it too long. Let's see if that did it. Yep. All right, now let me turn my light on. All right, now that we got that not an ashtray part out, we have two Phillips right there that need to come out, and then that's going to relieve this whole little piece right here. So let's go ahead and take those out. All right, so with those out, we're able to pull that up. You can see it's just held in by that little clip right there. And then we do have one harness, and that's going to be over here on the cigarette lighter. We don't need to take it out for real. We're just going to move that over to the side. Now that we have that out, you see you're going to have 1 and 2 Phillips right over there. So let's go ahead and we'll take those out as well. And I honestly think that those are going to be the last screws that we take out, and this pocket is just going to be held in by some good old clipperoos, and we can just kind of think it's easiest to close that up. Come up here and do that. So go ahead and put my key in, drop it to the lowest position. Alright, and that's literally all we have to do. Now, one thing that I will tell you guys is that if you are going to be replacing this part, the only thing you have to do is take your panel removal tool and pop this piece up, and you're going to have 1, 2, 3 Phillips right there. And also, if you come down and look up, see if I can find it. Oh, it's right here. There's going to be an 8 mil right, let me zoom, boom. So there's an 8 mil right here that you have to take out, and there's also an 8 mil on the other side. In order to get the factory radio out, you need to take out those two 8 mils, one in each corner, and take out the 3 Phillips that are going to be up under that piece. We don't have to worry about that because only thing we need from this radio is that blue harness right there. So what I'm going to do is stick my hand up here and take this blue harness out. And the reason you need that blue harness is because inside of your dash kit, you're going to have the T harness right here. So basically, hold on. All right, y'all, so very simple. That harness is going to plug into this right here. The other side is going to actually plug back into the radio in the back where we pulled the blue harness out of, and then your free wires are going to get hooked up to your radio. Simple. Also, we need to take out the antenna. The antenna is right over here on this side, so let's go ahead and get that thing out as well. And you're going to need an antenna extension in order to get, boom. So we have, boom, got that antenna out. Now, if I had this whole thing out, you can see that there's a white zip tie that looks like this on the top of the antenna. If you want to take the whole thing out and just cut that zip tie to get you a little bit more length, you're good. Only if your radio has an antenna that's on the right hand side. Also, let me look at this. We might not even need it. Oh, here goes our antenna right here. It's still short. We're still gonna need an extension. So there's already an extension that's gonna go up here, and we're still gonna need the extension because this one right here is just too short. But either way, let me go ahead and get this thing wired up for you guys so you can see what it looks like, and we're gonna use that part right there. All right, y'all, so let me see if I can see this. Move that out the way. So you see that harness is plugged into there, and then the other side is plugged in right there, and then that leaves us with our harness right here. Also, we have our extension on right here, and we have our radio that's gonna go into the pocket. Now, I know what you think. I didn't actually go over how to actually wire this radio up. Well, the reason I do that is because I want to keep these radio removal videos short and sweet and just kind of quick, straight to the point. And I have one video in the card over there in that corner that you can click, and it'll show you how to wire it up. I also have my how-to playlist, and I have a lot of stuff that I go over in those playlists. That way you can just watch those videos, and I keep these short. So if you know how to do it, if you know how to wire up a radio, but you just need to take this out, it's short and sweet for you. And if you just want to know how to do it all yourself, you can go over there to the how-to playlist and then watch those. But let me go ahead and put that inside this, and yeah, let's see what it looks like. Alright, so that's what it looks like when it's in there. We have that old pocket out, got the new radio in. Now with this one, I actually did not use the cage that came with the radio. I used the 2 CD player brackets that went on there, because when you slide that in, it makes it more flush. So we just put the 2 screws back in the spot that it came out of. We're going to put this part back in here, slide that up there, and then if you look, those holes line up perfectly. And we will take the original screws that came out of it, and we will screw those things back in. Catch. Perfect. Uh-oh. Drill that in just a tad bit more. That's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this other screw in there and put my ashtray in. But other than that, that's pretty much it, man. If you guys found any value in this video, please hit the like, share, subscribe, and all that type of stuff. Comments. Let me know if you guys have any questions about anything. Other than that, I will catch you guys at the next car. Peace.